Susan, the Education Manager at the Sacramento History Museum, and today we're going to be making a trail delicacy that many settlers would have eaten or made while they were traveling west: hardtack. Now set your oven to 375 and it's time to go in. You're going to set it from between 25 and 35 minutes. Oops. We're going to start with 25 and then check on it and then have more time if needed. So there you have it. We've just made some hardtack. It should be nice and dry. If it's not that dry, you can actually leave it out overnight or even for 2-3 days. This stuff won't go bad. It's just flour and water. So let's taste it. Okay. On its own, it's not bad, but I do have a couple suggestions. You can do jam. That would probably be a lot better. Let's see. You can also do some honey on it. That one was really good. And lastly, a lot of soldiers and people, while they were heading west, they would make their morning coffee or broth or something like that. Take their pretty plain cracker and dip it right in there, soften it up, and that's how they would eat it. Make it into a soup or something similar. Not bad either. I think my favorite was the honey. That was the best one. All right, you guys, thank you so much. Again, I'm Susan. I'm at the Sacramento History Museum, and hopefully we'll be seeing you very soon.